दर्शकों, एक बार फिर से आप सभी के समक्ष हम लोग लाइव जुड़ रहे हैं। इस समय हम लोग स्कूल के बिल्डिंग के अंदर हम लोग प्रवेश कर रहे हैं, जहाँ पे बच्चों द्वारा एग्जीबिशन यहाँ पे प्रस्तुत किया जा रहा है। हम लोग सबसे पहले एग्जीबिशन के इस रूम में हम लोग जाना चाहेंगे। गुड आफ्टरनून। और सब काफी सारा यहाँ पे एग्जीबिशन देखने को मिल रहा है। हम लोग एक एक करके जानकारी लेंगे। Okay, explain me about your exhibition.
This is the map of India. This is afforestation and deforestation. This is water cycle. This is air transport, land transport, and water transport. This is land forms. This is floods, volcanic eruption, droughts, and earthquake. Thank you.
Okay, what's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
My name is Jan Chetri.
Which class?
Class 5C.
Social science, social studies.
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड। और दर्शकों, आप देख सकते हैं काफी कुछ यहाँ पे एग्जीबिशन यहाँ पे दिखाया गया है। काफी सुंदर प्रस्तुति है। आप देख सकते हैं मेजर लैंड फॉर्म्स ऑफ इंडिया, फ्लड के रिलेटेड यहाँ पे वोल्केनो यहाँ पे दिखाया गया है, ड्राउट का यहाँ पे दिखाया गया है, अर्थक्वेक के बारे में यहाँ पे दिखाया है। काफी कुछ है यहाँ पे। और सबसे सुंदर, सबसे अच्छा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा भारत का यहाँ पे जानकारी दी गई है। वाटर साइकिल, काफी कुछ यहाँ पे। हम लोग आगे चलते हैं। ओके, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Meghna Thapa.
Okay.
I'm from class 5C.
Okay, what you have prepared?
I prepared of these models, English literature and language. This is a model of our school, St. Anthony's Convent School. This is a poem written by Lauren Pierce, The Butterfly. These are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, adjective, conjunction, interjection. This is a poem written by Emily Dixon. Hope is a thing with feathers. This is Ruskin Bond. This is William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare, the greatest dramatist of English literature. He lived in England. One of his famous novels is Macbeth. This is Story of a Woodcutter. These are the types of nouns. This is a self-written poem written by our classmate Rohit Sharma. This is a model of a story, Little Red Riding Hood. This is Grandma. This is Little Red Riding Hood. This is Wolf, and this is Woodcutter. This is a model of a hut. This is Rabindranath Tagore. This is our 3 little pigs. Thank you, sir.
Okay, you have displayed so many stories, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me one of these stories?
This
Which one you like the most?
These are 3 little pigs. Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs. Their mother said them to build their own houses in unity, but they didn't listen to their mother. So the first pig was so lazy that he made the house of sticks, and the third pig was little hardworking and he made the house of wood. The third pig was so hardworking that he made his house of cement and bricks. And at the night, this big bad wolf came. The big bad wolf said to the first pig, "Little pig, come out, otherwise I'll blow your house." But the pig didn't came out, so the wolf blew his house. After a while, this pig went to his house, and the wolf also said that thing, and he blew his house also. They too ran away and came to the third pig's house, who was wiser and hardworking. And when the wolf blew his house, he was not able to blow his house. So the moral of the story is we should always listen to our parents and we should be hardworking. Thank you, sir.
Very nice. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Bhupem Dupa,
Which class?
class 5B.
Okay, what you have prepared?
I have prepared this all models. I am the demonstrator of general knowledge. Here is all the models. Here is the Indian monuments and our Indian flag. Here is telephone, bulb, and here is medicinal plants. Telephone. It was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. This is a book. It was invented by Albert Einstein. This is a Qutub Minar. This is a Hawa Mahal. This is the Leaning Tower of Pisa, Taj Mahal, and India Gate. And here is the medicinal plants.
So here so many of structures I see. How many of structures have you visited from this? Anyone? India Gate?
Sir, India Gate.
India Gate you have visited?
Yes,
Qutub
sir.
Minar?
No, sir, I
No.
didn't visit it.
Okay. In coming future you would like to visit, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
और यहाँ पे काफी सारा और यहाँ पे एक और बच्ची है. Tell me about your project.
I'm the demonstrator of science. This is the solar system, solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, water pollution, air pollution, the land pollution. These are the layers of soil profile, sources of water, molecular arrangement, state of matter, solid, liquid, gas. This is the solar system and the revolution and rotation of the earth. These are the types of season. Thank you.
Very nice, very nice. और यहाँ पे काफी सारा यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले है. हम लोग एक एक करके बच्चों के पास पहुँचेंगे. What's your name?
My name is Lakshmit, sir.
Okay, what you have prepared?
I am prepared a 3D geometric shape of castle.
Tell me about this.
This is the model that represents 3D geometric shape of castle. In this model, we have used different geometric shape of castle. We have used cone to form the tip of the pillar as well as the roof of the castle. The base of the gate pillar is formed of cuboid. We have placed sphere to form the top of the gate pillar. The base of the gate pillar is formed of cylindrical shapes. And this is the model that
Yeah.
and this is the model that represents
Okay,
different
let's
types.
sit and see this one.
And this is the model that represents different types of angles. When two arms meet together, it forms an angles. Angles have a common vertex. We have
How
made
many types of angles are there?
six.
Huh?
Six.
6. Okay, show me.
So acute angle that measures less than 90 degree, right angle that measures equal to 90 degree, obtuse angle that measures more than 90 degree, straight angle that is equal to 180 degree, reflex angle that measures more than 180 degree, complete angle that measures equal to 360 degree. Thank you, sir.
Okay, very nice, very nice. So many shapes we are seeing here. Very nice. और आप देख सकते हैं बच्चों के साथ साथ यहाँ पे गार्जियन भी काफी यहाँ पे मौजूद है और सभी यहाँ पे देखते हुए एक और खूबसूरत मॉडल यहाँ पे देखने को मिल रहा है. Tell me about this. First, introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name is Krishika from class 4B. Today I am going to demonstrate on the story The Ugly Duckling. The Ugly Duckling is divided into 4 parts. In the first part we see near a peaceful lake the nest of chicks hatches. In the second part we see that out of all the chicks that hatched, one looked very different from rest of the siblings. Coming to the third part, we see the ugly duckling was very sad and lonely because everyone used to tease her for being lonely. And finally, in the last part, we see the ugly duckling went to the cave for a few months and she transformed into a beautiful white swan. The moral of the story is everyone has their own unique beauty and true beauty comes from within. Thank you.
Thank you. Very nice. Okay. Good afternoon. What project you want to show me?
Good afternoon, sir. I am Komal Kumari Rai of class 4. I am here to demonstrate the story of Thirsty Crow. As you can see that the story has been divided into 4 parts. In the first part, we can see the Thirsty Crow is looking around for water. In the second part, it shows how he finally found a pot half filled with water. And in the third part, it shows how he uses his wit to rise up the water level and collects the pebble one by one and drops it into the pot. And in the fourth part, it shows how he finally drank the water and flew away happily. So the moral of the story is, where there is will, there is a way. Thank you.
Okay. What's your
Good
name?
morning, sir. My name is Prajyoti Paurel of class 4A. I'm from Science Club and a group has made these 2 working models of water purification and solar system. Let me demonstrate you on water purification. Water purification is a natural process. I'm going to demonstrate you how we can purify water. First, the dirty water is poured into big pebbles, small pebbles, sand, charcoal and cotton. As you can see, after going through the stages, the water is clean and has been collected in a tank. Now this water is supplied to houses, offices, schools and many more places. This is how we can purify water. Now,
Solar system. Solar system consists of 8 planets which revolve around the sun. This is Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Sun is not a planet, it's a star. Thank you.
What about Pluto?
Pluto is a dwarf planet.
Earlier, it was considered as part of solar system, right?
Yes, sir.
Now it's not included, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which planet do you like the most?
Sir, of course, our Earth.
Earth. Why?
Because it is only the planet which has life in our solar system.
ओके थैंक यू वेरी नाइस वेरी नाइस सुन और आप देख सकते हैं बच्चे काफी सारा प्रोजेक्ट यहाँ पे बनाए हैं एक एक करके हम लोग जा रहे हैं व्हाट्स योर नेम
Rixon Lama,
ओके व्हिच क्लास
class 4A.
what project you have prepared what exhibition you want to show
I'm very excited to show the World 5 seasons. Our first season is summer season. Summer season is also known as the hottest season. And our second season is rainy season. Rainy season refreshes the land. And our third season is autumn season. Autumn season is also known as the fall. And our fourth season is winter season. Winter season is also known as the coldest season. And our fifth season is spring season. Spring season is in spring season the flowers bloom and the trees get
Okay.
new leaves.
which season do you like the most
Autumn,
autumn why
because autumn is also known as the fall.
okay very nice okay what exhibition you are showing here
Maths.
okay first introduce yourself
I am Sid Guru and I am 10 years old.
okay which class
4.
class 4 okay tell me about your project
Our group has made factor parts, Indian number systems and clocks. There is the factor of 12. The factor of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Indian number system. There is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. And clock. There is pendulum clock, sun clock, then wall clock. Thank you.
ओके वेरी नाइस और ऐसे ही हम लोग एक एक बच्चे से जाके मिल रहे हैं देख भी रहे हैं दिखा भी रहे हैं ओके टेल मी अबाउट योर एग्जीबिशन
I am here to tell you about GK exhibition.
व्हाट
GK.
जीके ओके जनरल नॉलेज ओके शो मी योर जनरल नॉलेज
Number 1, Great Wall of China. It is situated at China. It was built to protect China from enemy invasion. Number 2, Chichen Itza. It is situated at eastern Mexico. It was built for religious belief and many more. Number 3, Petra. It is situated at southwest Jordan. It remarks rich culture, natural heritage of Jordan. Number 4, Machu Picchu. It is situated at Andes. It remarks culture and natural value of place.
Okay, what about Taj Mahal? Who is going to show me Taj Mahal? Okay, what's your name first?
Riva Sarki.
Which class?
Class 4.
Class 4. Okay, tell me about this.
Number 5, Christ the Redeemer. The statue is located at the Radio General, the most prominent symbol of faith in Jesus. Number 6, the Colosseum. It's in Rome. It is the largest amphitheater, meaning theatering ground. Number 7, Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is situated at India, Agra. Taj Mahal is the masterpiece of art. I am here to conclude. We enjoy making this model. By this we learn teamwork, patience, cooperation. To make this model, we used hardboard, different colors, wool, thermocol, and our small ideas. Thank you. Hope you
Okay, which
enjoy.
one is your favorite in this?
Sir, my is Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal, yours?
My, this Machu Picchu.
Okay, very nice. हम लोग आगे चलते हैं आगे यहाँ पे What's your name?
Yatharth Bansal.
Huh?
Yatharth Bansal.
Okay, which class?
Class 3A.
Class 3A. Tell me about your exhibition.
Good morning, sir. My name is Yatharth Bansal, representing Science Exhibition. These are the models of Science Exhibition. Today I am telling some facts about birds. Birds are the only animal with the feather. There are different kinds of birds like peacock, duck, swan. But some birds cannot fly, like ostrich, emu, kiwi. They are called flightless birds. Birds build their nest to lay eggs and keep their young birds. There are different kinds of feathers. Peacock feather, duck feather, rooster feather, baby chicken feather, etc. Thank you.
वेरी नाइस एंड हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं, आगे दृश्य दिखा रहे हैं। यहाँ पे हम व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Arshit Jaiswal,
ओके, व्हिच क्लास?
class 3B,
व्हाट एग्जीबिशन आर यू शोइंग?
general knowledge,
General knowledge related to
musical instruments.
music.
Music.
Is this music?
Yes.
Okay, tell me, show me.
Good morning, parents. I am Arshit Jaiswal of class 3B. I am here to talk about musical instruments. Some of the musical instruments are tabla, drum set, dholak, piano, guitar, sitar, flute, etc. Thank you.
Which one is your favorite? Which one you play? Tabla
No,
or guitar? Huh?
Yes.
Which one?
guitar.
If I tell you to take one from this one, which one you will take? Which one? Guitar? Tabla. Okay, very nice. और यहाँ पे छोटे छोटे बच्चे इतने सारे इतने सुंदर सुंदर एग्जीबिशन यहाँ पे बनाए हैं। ये दृश्य दिखा रहे हैं। ओके, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Sadoti Dungdung.
ओके, व्हाट यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड?
Means of transport.
Yeah?
Means of transport.
Okay, show me the means of transport.
There are three modes of transport: land transport, air transport, and water transport. Land transport: bike, truck, cars, trains, and tricycle. Water transport: submarine, boat, raft, and ship. Air transport: aeroplane, helicopter, and hot air balloon. And among these, water transport is the cheapest means of transport, and air transport is the fastest means of transport. Thank you.
ओके, वेरी नाइस। यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं काफी सारा एग्जीबिशन यहाँ पे देखने को मिल रहा है। एक एक करके हम लोग आगे जा रहे हैं। व्हाट एग्जीबिशन यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड?
APJ Abdul Kalam.
या
APJ Abdul Kalam.
ओके, रिगार्डिंग एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम, हु वाज ही?
He was the 11th president of India.
वेरी गुड। सो me what you have prepared.
He was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu, India.
Okay, show me what you have prepared. So,
Missiles, tablets, satellite,
okay,
helicopter, clutches, missiles, and many things.
ओके, वेरी नाइस। और यहाँ हम लोग चलते हैं। ओके, गुड आफ्टरनून, शो मी व्हाट यू ऑल हैव प्रिपेयर्ड।
Good afternoon, honorable guests. I am Drishya Agarwal of class 3A, representing Maths group. Welcome you in our exhibition. Today I am going to talk about shapes. Shapes are mainly divided into two types: 2D and 3D shapes. 3D shapes. Three-dimensional shapes have length, width, and height. 3D shapes are cube. It has 8 vertices, 12 straight edges, and 6 flat faces. This is cuboid, this is square, this is cylinder, and this is cone. Thank you.
Very nice. What's your name?
My name is Dishim Sherpa.
Okay, tell me something with this.
2D shapes. 2D shapes have only length and width. 2D
Okay.
shapes are square. Square has 4 vertices, 4 sides, and all the sides are equal in length. This is rectangle, this is circle, and this is triangle. Thank you.
Very nice.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to my dance club.
Okay, show me what you want to show.
Actually, sir, I'm not the demonstrator. This is where the demonstrator.
Okay, very nice. You are also part of this one. I see you are dressed up very well, like a dancer.
Thank you, sir.
Which dance do you prefer perform with this?
Sir, I perform Kathak.
Okay, very nice. Next time I will watch you dancing.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our dance club. Folk dance is a special way from different places celebrate their culture and tradition. Bengali folk dance is a joyful and colorful expression of the rich culture of West Bengal. One of the most popular forms is the bow dance. Next, Kuchipudi is a dance from drama performance. This dance form is also known for its quick moves and eye expression. Dandiya is also known Dandiya Ras. It is a traditional folk dance from the state of Gujarat. Next, Bhangra is the most popular folk dance from Punjab. It is done in the season of harvesting. Next, Kashmir is a dance performed on the set of spring season and has always been an integral part of Kashmiri people since a very long time. Goan dance reflects the day-to-day life of the fishermen and women of the region. Next, Nepali comprises numerous styles of dances, including folk, classical, and modern dance. Kathak is one of the most popular Indian dances. It is the most graceful and richest dance. The most vital component of Kathak is Ghungur. And last, Bihu is a folk dance from Assam. This dance is performed by a group of women and men in colorful costumes. Thank you.
Okay, which dance you like the most?
Me, folk dance, Bengali folk dance.
Bengali. Okay, what's in it?
Akshita Sharma,
Okay, very nice. Which class?
5C.
5C. She already said. I don't. Yes, she already said. Yeah. और यहाँ पे आगे हम लोग चलते हैं. इतना सारा एग्जीबिशन यहाँ पे लगा हुआ है कि एक एक करके दिखाते दिखाते दिन खत्म हो जाएगा, लेकिन शायद सब जगह हम लोग पहुंच नहीं पाए. अभी केवल हम लोग एक ही रूम में हम लोग पहुंचे हैं. ऐसा कई सारा फर्स्ट फ्लोर में, ग्राउंड फ्लोर में, सेकंड फ्लोर में ऐसा लगा हुआ है. टेल मी अबाउट योर प्रोजेक्ट.
This is the football. These are the steps of runner. On your mark, get set, go. This is the football court. Football is a popular team sport played on a rectangular court where two teams of 11 players each. This is a jersey. A shirt worn by a member of a sports team is called jersey. This is a kabaddi flag ball. Kabaddi is the most traditional Indian sport originated 4,000 years ago. This is table tennis. Table tennis is a sport where player hits the light-footed ball by the rackets. That is indoor games. It is an excellent pastime for kids when they are bored and can't go outside. That is yoga. Yoga is a form of exercise that originated in ancient India but now is practiced worldwide. Thank you.
Very nice, very nice. I didn't see cricket. Cricket is my favorite.
Sir, we don't have medal only of the cricket.
Okay, never mind. Which game do you like the most?
Sir, I like the most table tennis.
Why is it so?
Sir, because by hitting the rackets by the light-weighted ball, it's very nice to play.
Okay, and it is injury free also, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice, very nice. What's your name?
Sir Daksh.
Very nice. All the best. और यहाँ आगे चलते हैं. Tell me about your project.
This indoor games. Indoor games are played inside the house. So the example of indoor games are chess, ludo, carom, and bowling. And this is yoga. Yoga is the way of keeping your mind and body healthy. Even the aged people can do yoga to keep themselves healthy. While doing yoga, we should keep ourselves full focus. As you can see, there are different types of yoga positions. Each has its own advantage and rules. These are the patterns. It is used in a relay race. Thank you.
Okay, very nice. What's your name?
My name is Desnandi Nadi.
Okay. Tell me about your project.
This is my project, laptop. Laptop is an electronic machine. It works very fast. It can carry easily and it is easy to set up like table or lap. Thank you.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, tell me what you want to show.
MS Word, my project MS PowerPoint and vacuum tubes. Now I study MS PowerPoint helps to communicate with an audience effectively. It is used by businesses and other organizations to visibility or approach to its service. Vacuum tubes, they occupied a lot of space. They were expensive to operate. The speed of this computer was very slow. Thank you.
Very nice. Okay, what do you want to show?
Good afternoon, sir. This is Pascaline. Pascaline was invented by Basil Pascal. It could perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. This is laptop. Laptop is used for playing games, offices, and general. Laptop battery are chargeable. Abacus. Abacus is a simple calculating device. It was made by Chinese.
Motherboard. Motherboard is an invented part of a computer. It is also known as the backbone of the computer. This is Sophia the robot. This is a robot. Robot can do anything without a little human effort. Desktop. Desktop is a set of monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. We can see desktop in offices, general and school. Thank you.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Kiransh Bansal. I would like to explain Computer Club. This is a task line. We can do here addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It is invented by Base
Tell me
Pascal.
about this one. What is this?
This is a robot. This is an automatic machine. It can execute specific tasks with little or no human effort. Some robot can speak, dance, and give response to the commands. This is a laptop. Laptops are used to play games, office, and general use. It is chargeable and it can take one place to another.
Okay,
This-
if I tell you to take one of them, which one will you like to take?
I would like to take Pascaline.
Huh?
I would like to take Pascaline
Why?
because it's an old calculating machine and I want to see how we can use it.
Okay, very nice. But I would like to take robot. Why? You know? Because it will do my work for me.
Yes.
Okay, all the best. Very nice, very nice. और यहाँ पे सुंदर सुंदर यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट का देखने को मिल रहा है। ये काफी कुछ यहाँ पे मौजूद है, घर से लेके फूल, मछली, ये काफी कुछ यहाँ पे देखने को मिल रहा है। हम लोग और बात करेंगे। टेल मी अबाउट दिस एग्जीबिशन।
This exhibition is the art and craft. We made a house, aquarium, and flowers. And this is the drawing.
ओके, वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस। और यहाँ पे हम लोग चलते हैं। यहाँ पे व्हाट्स योर नेम?
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है अंशिका गुरुंग। मैं कक्षा 5 की
मुझे
छात्र।
अब हिंदी में बात करने का मौका मिल रहा है।
मैं
बहुत देर से इंग्लिश में बात करना पड़ रहा था। अब बताओ मुझे।
मैं कक्षा 5 की छात्र हूँ। आपका स्वागत है हमारे हिंदी क्लब में। ये है हमारे कुछ हिंदी के मॉडल्स जो हमारे पाठ पुस्तक और व्याकरण भाग से लिए गया है। कबीर की वाणी। कबीर का जन्म 1398 को वाराणसी में हुआ था। वे कवि और संतों के भगवान माने जाते थे। वे बहुत बड़े संत थे। हवा की दुनिया। हवा हमारे चारों ओर रहती है। हवा के बिना हम जीवित नहीं रह सकते हैं। हवा वातावरण को स्वच्छ रखती है। शिष्टाचार। हम सभी में शिष्टाचार होना चाहिए। हमें अपनों से बड़ों को जी हाँ या जी नहीं कहकर उत्तर देना चाहिए। हमें सभी को सम्मान देना चाहिए। मैं हूँ मुंबई। मुंबई महाराष्ट्र की राजधानी है। इसे प्रवेश द्वार और बॉलीवुड का घर कहा जाता है। कमल का फूल हमारा राष्ट्रीय पुष्प है। इसे देव पुष्प भी कहा जाता है। फूल और कांटा दोनों ही एक पौधे हैं। इस कविता से हमें यह सीख मिलती है कि हमें हमेशा फूलों की तरह रहना चाहिए, न कि कांटों के तरह। धन्यवाद।
वेरी नाइस, बहुत अच्छा, बढ़िया बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया। आपने भी हिंदी में बनाया है? वेरी गुड। बताओ अपना परिचय दो।
मेरा नाम है कौशिक और मैं कक्षा 4 का छात्र हूँ।
अच्छा, क्या बनाए हो आप?
विशेषण और आसमान में जैसे तारे पोयम।
अच्छा, बताओ, दिखाओ, बताओ क्या है?
ये पोयम हमसे हमें यह शिक्षा मिलती है कि हमें एक उससे बांटनी चाहिए और लड़ाई नहीं करनी चाहिए।
अच्छा, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी नाइस। ओके, बताओ क्या है यहाँ पे?
सुप्रभात। नमस्ते सर, मेरा नाम अनन्या अधिकारी है। ये है संज्ञा। संज्ञा के 3 भेद होते हैं, जैसे व्यक्तिवाचक, जातिवाचक और भाववाचक। जैसे अंबेडकर, ताजमहल, लड़का, बच्चे। ये है पर्यायवाचक शब्द। पर्यायवाचक शब्द यानी समान अर्थ वाले शब्द, जैसे पानी का जल, नीर, आसमान का आकाश, आसमान। ये है पेड़ का दर्द। पेड़ को हमें कभी नहीं काटना चाहिए। पेड़ हमें ऑक्सीजन देता है, फूल देता है, फल देता है और ताज़ा हवा देता है। हमें पेड़ नहीं काटना चाहिए। थैंक यू।
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस। और आपने देखा काफी सारा यहाँ पे प्रेजेंटेशन इस एग्जीबिशन हॉल में देखने को मिला। ऐसे काफी सारे हॉल मौजूद है, तो हम लोग एक एक करके जाएंगे। फिलहाल यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा विराम लेंगे, उसके बाद हम लोग फिर दूसरे हॉल में हम लोग जाएंगे। बने रहिएगा हमारे चैनल जयवा मिरर्स के साथ।